We're going to talk about another strategy for solving three-digit addition problems without composing new tens or hundreds. This strategy is going to be based in place value. To understand this strategy, you need to understand that in a number like 362, the number 2 really just is 2. But this 6, because it's in the tens place, is really a 60. And this 3 being in the hundreds place is really 300. If you don't understand that, this strategy is going to be really difficult. But this is another great strategy for students to use in class to show their work. It really allows us teachers to see every little step of their thinking, so if they make mistakes, we know exactly where they went wrong. So let's take a look at this problem of 132 plus 466. Now, the way that I'm going to start in solving this is I'm going to start with the ones place. I'm going to look at my 2 and my 6. And I'm going to start by adding those together. In the simple 2 plus 6 equation, I know that's 8 because I know my math facts. I'm then going to move to my tens place. So I'm going to come down here, drawing lots of lines and trying to keep it clear, but I'm just going to do my best. I know that because this is the tens place, the 3 in 132 is really a 30. And I know that the 6 in 466 is really 60. And that's very important to keep in mind because the students need to understand that where a number sits in a number affects the true value of that number. In this case, it's in the tens place. So I'm going to add 30 plus 60, and I know that that's 90. Finally, I'm going to attack the hundreds place. I have a 1 in the hundreds place. I know that 1 in the hundreds place is 100, plus a 4 in the hundreds place, which is 400. And I know 100 plus 400 is 500. Now the fun thing here is that it's really pretty easy because of all the zeros in some of these numbers to add these all together. So I know that 90 plus 8 is 98 because that 8 can slot right into where that 0 is. And I know that 500 plus 98 equals 598. This is a really, really great strategy for students to use to show their work because, again, if I see a mistake made here, there are so many steps that I can see exactly where that mistake is made and exactly where the student's thinking went wrong. This is one of my personal favorites to see students use in class.